Namaskar students, back with you all with the new chapter of cost. And in the cost, I planned myself that I should go and start with the topic that is called total fixed cost. What is the meaning of the total fixed cost? First you understand. Total fixed cost is the cost which is fixed at any level of output. Yes, at any level of output. I am giving an example first of all to you. मान लीजिए आपने एक स्कूल की बिल्डिंग किराए पे ले ली. सपोज यू हैव टेकन अ व्हाट बिल्डिंग फॉर स्टार्टिंग अ स्कूल एंड you assume that you are going to pay rupees 40,000 per month. आप 40,000 रुपए किराया देंगे. Suppose in your school in first year you are having only 100 students. Kiraya is fixed. How much? 40,000. Next year you are having 400 to 500. Suppose next year you are getting 500 students. Third year your students now increase up to how much? Suppose 1,000. Got it? How much? 1,000. Now see, your rent is fixed up to 5 years. What is the rent? You are saying how much? 40,000 per month. So it says that whether you are having a strength of 100 student or 400 student or 500 student, doesn't matter. It will not matter. Why? Because your cost is fixed. That is 40,000. So that 40,000 is called as a what? Fixed cost. बच्चों एक चीज और याद रखना, फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट का एक नाम और भी होता है, that is called supplementary cost. बाबा. One more cost that is called, this fixed cost is also having one more name, that is called overhead cost. One more name, that is called indirect cost. Now you will think, sir, how many names are there? Fixed cost is having supplementary cost, that is another name. It is also called as what? Overhead cost, and is also called as what cost? That is called as indirect cost. Now come back all of you. You can see here I am going to draw a simple table that's called as a what? Schedule. And with the help of this table I am going to show you with the help of the diagram. Come back. In this first I am going to take the Q that is called as quantity. Okay. Here you write down quantity, inside the bracket you write the in units. Okay, in units. And here you write down TFC, that is called total fixed cost. Again inside the bracket you write here in rupees. Okay. Initially I am taking the output as 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember students, even the output is 0. Total fixed cost can never be 0. ये आप लॉक कर लीजिए अपने माइंड के अंदर. Suppose I am assuming here how much is the fixed cost? That is 10. When the output is 1, again it is 10. When the output is 2, again it is 10. When the output is 3, it is 10, 4, 10, 5, 10. What you can see from the table. When the output is how much? 0. TFC is how much? That is 10. When the output is 1, TFC is how much? 10. 2, 10. 3, 10, 4, 10. At the last you can see when the output is how much? 5. Then also the total fixed cost is, that is exactly 10. Now with the help of this schedule, with the help of this table, we are going to draw the diagram. Suppose X, O, Y. You can say in OX we are measuring the quantity, okay, in units. And on the OY axis we are measuring the cost in rupees. That's all. Come here. When the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose this is 5, 10. ठीक है ना? You can see output is how much? 0. What is the fixed cost? 10. This is the output. Here you can see, assume it that this is a 0. Here it is what? 10. Number 1. Second, again output is 1. Cost is how much? 10. This output 1. Cost is 10. This is second output, again 10. Third output, again 10. Fourth output, again 10. And fifth output, again 10. And then join all the points. You are going to get the total fixed cost. You are going to get the what? Total fixed cost. See. Okay. So what you can do here is one thing, that is you can say what is the slope of TFC. आप बोलेंगे सर slope क्या है? I think you can see very clearly the slope of total fixed cost is what? Parallel to x axis. It is what? Parallel to x axis. One more thing, students, you lock in your mind that total fixed cost can never be zero. Even the output is zero. Again I am repeating, total fixed cost can never be zero, even though output is zero. Now you enjoy the definition in the digital form. What is total fixed cost? Now you can see total fixed cost is the cost which is fixed at any level of output. These are also called as, I am repeating again, total fixed cost, other name is also called as what? Supplementary cost. Number one, lock in your mind. Also called as overhead cost. Again, lock in your mind. Also called as indirect cost. So fixed cost you can call it as a what? Supplementary cost also. You can call it also as a overhead cost also. At the same time you can call it as a what? Indirect cost also. Students, you can see an example also given there. Rent of the building. I think you agree with me. Rent of the building is always fixed. Salary of the permanent staff. Salary of what? Permanent staff is always fixed. Okay. Again, I have already explained the table on the blackboard. You can see again total fixed cost schedule is given there. On the left side you can see the quantity which are measured in the units. On the right side you can see the total fixed cost in rupees. On the left side figure you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the value of TFC? 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. But the most important thing which you need to lock in your mind is that total fixed cost will never be zero. Pakka hai. It can never be zero, even the output is zero. And next again you can see at the bottom what is given there? The graph. On the x-axis you are going to measure the quantity in units. On the y-axis you are going to measure what? You are going to measure the cost in rupees. So students, what you can do? Take a small pencil. Again you will say a small pencil. No problem. Take a big pencil and hurry up with a scale and notebook and try to draw the diagram. Just draw on the horizontal axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the vertical axis go and draw 5, 10. And just see what is the result. जब 0 आएगा output 10. 1 आएगा output 10. 2, 10. 3, 10. 4, 10. 5, 10. And just you add all the dots that you're going to get. You are going to get a parallel line. That's called as a what? That's called as a total fixed cost. So that's why I mentioned. You can see with the yellow color. Total fixed cost is parallel to x-axis. You can get in exam also this question. What is the slope of TFC? Write with full confidence. Total fixed cost is parallel to x-axis. Thanks to all of you for watching me.